Hello there and welcome to Ayesha's Unique Cuisines. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Ayesha and this is my platform. So on Ayesha's Unique Cuisines, we cook cuisines, our audiences. We teach them how to make cuisines around the world, from herbal teas, smoothies, drinks, and delicious, scrumptious, yummylicious dishes. So stay tuned. Today we're gonna do some cottage pie, a British dish. So we have some cheese here, we have our veggies, we have some salt, we have our vegetable oil, we have our all-peppers, we have our cayenne, we have brunoise size onions, some tomatoes, some cornstarch, our mince, beef, some potatoes on fire. Let me just put some salt, some bit of salt. We'll allow it to boil. Yeah, so please like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon for notification, and share the video. And please check out my other recipes. So I have mac and cheese recipe. I'll put the link in the description, as well as some Jamaican rice and peas recipe. I'll put the link in the description for you to access. And check out my other channels on my description. Thank you. So guys, whilst we are waiting for our potatoes to boil, we're just gonna concentrate on the mince. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook. I'm just gonna add some all-pepper seasoning to this, and add some cayenne, bit of cayenne, and some black pepper. I'm using the lid to measure, and that's it really. And then we just give it a good stir, and some salt. Just stir this nicely. So guys, I've just added a bit of spice, optional though. I'm just gonna add in our basil. You know, on this platform we are about herbs, you know, heavy food. Because what herbs does to your body is that it takes care of the anti-inflammatory, it takes care of the inflammatory or inflammation in your body. Just gonna put the brunoise sized onions. So many food that we eat, you know, because they are not organic, there's so much inflammation on our bodies, you know, which obviously causes cancer cells and what have you to grow. So it's always important to incorporate in herbs in your diet and to eat as healthy as possible, yeah, to stay in shape. Yeah, so just allow this to cook and then we'll proceed. Yeah, so guys, this is how our mince is looking like. I'm just gonna add in our tomatoes. So this is a combination of the tomatoes, the puree, as well as the chopped. Just gonna gently stir this, allow it to cook for 15 minutes so that the tomatoes is well infused with the rest of the mince and the other ingredients. Thank you. So guys, this is how our sauce is looking like. It's done, but the potatoes is not done. It's still hot, so I'm just gonna allow it to cook thoroughly, and then we'll go on with the mashing. Meanwhile, I'm just gonna incorporate in a bit of cornstarch for some thickness. I'll be optional, yeah. And then I'm just gonna put in the veggies, and then let's give it about 2 minutes, and that our sauce should be done. We'll just wait for the I have another minced beef stew for your spaghetti. I'm just gonna put the link in the description for you to access. So this is how our sauce is looking like. We're just gonna wait for the potatoes to be done, and then we'll get on with our mash, and then we'll do our cottage pie. Thank you. Flavor yemli, flavor womu, flavor lemle, scrumptious sauce, delicious, yummylicious. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. So guys, our potatoes is done. I'm just gonna drain the water, and then we'll start with the mashing process. Thank you. So guys, we're gonna mash our potatoes. I'm just gonna add in some butter, and mash. You don't want to waste anything. Add in a bit of seasoning, some basil, optional if you want, you know, the heavy kitchen. And then we'll mash. We're gonna incorporate in milk. We want it all creamy and nice, so that's soy milk. Gonna mash everything nicely, and then we incorporate in our cheese, mature cheddar cheese. So guys, we're just gonna dish, and then we'll place this in the oven for, let's say, 15 minutes. Everything is cooked, we just need, you know, so this is it. I'm just gonna now put the mash on top, on the surface nicely. It's gonna put everything on top, looking nice and creamy. Look at that, lump free. So we are done. So we're just gonna make some nice strips on the surface, and then we're just gonna pop this in the oven to bake, and then we are done.